Winter special cough and cold plant package. Beat this winter's coughs and sniffles with our special plants with our cold and cough package. Here are a list of plants that you can use in your home garden that will also help you take care of your health this winter. Tulsi, mint, oregano, long pepper, Adusoge, lemongrass, aloe vera, garlic chives, ginger, sage. If you have these plants growing in your home garden, you can cook up different kashayams or even pluck the leaves sometimes to feel better on your sore throat or your running nose. If you would like to buy this plant package, visit our website urbanmali.com or you could call us at 8880482000. Happy gardening!